I'm Robert Markey. I've been doing construction for a long time, and we're going to talk about how to fix broken glass in a window. The first thing you need to do with the broken glass in the window is take it out, which we've done here, and do it without cutting yourself. And then you want to clean off the frame here, so your new pane will go in nicely. You take the window pane that's been cut to size, and it goes right in. Okay. And these are the guys that keep it in. There are different sizes and such. And what you want to do is, once the pane is in there, these get pushed in. Wiggle them a little bit, get them in all the way. You want to put one here, one here. You pretty much want to put two on a pane this size. If you get a larger one, you put more in there, and that keeps the glass in. And then you're going to glaze it. Grab some glazing compound. It's nice to heat it up a little bit. Roll it out a little bit. Push it in. With a putty knife. And then you can finish off so it's real nice and smooth all around the whole window. I'm Robert Markey, and we've been talking about fixing broken glass in a window.